Hello viewers, Namaste. Welcome to another new video of WinTrader. My name is Ganga Dev. In this today's live video, I am going to show you the performance of WinTrader software, how you can use our software for trading, stock trading. So I just opened this Apollo tire and I will show you the live market. It's real time only. And you can see the current market value 326.35. This is a real time market value, and you can see there is a white vertical line is there now. That is a day separation line. So today's market start from here, and from very beginning market opening time, software gives a buy signal. This green arrow is a buy signal and red one is a sell signal. So these are the automatic signals. So whenever software generates a signal, the same time there is a pop-up, there is an alert message will display in your screen with the sound effect. So in this alert message you will get the entry point at what level you have to buy, or what level if it is sell, at what level you have to sell. It contains the exact entry point. The same details also display here. We got in the morning we got a buy at 324.40 and the time is 9:24, and currently all target has been achieved. You can see the status, and currently market is slightly going down. So as I told, software gives this a supporting software, and trade you have to do manually in your trading platform. Whatever trading platform you are using, trade you have to do in your trading platform. Software is a supporting software which working with real time data, and it's support all major financial market like MCX, NSE cash, futures, options, currencies, agri, COMEX and forex, and you can use it for intraday scalping and swing trading. So software gives signals, buy sell signal, but before taking this signal you have to check the confirmation of the signal. If it is confirmed signal, then only we can take that position, you can take that trade. You can see this green arrow is a buy signal. So first the arrow will come, after that you have to check the confirmation. There is only two confirmation parameters there. First the arrow will come, and first confirmation on below you can see the price. It should be in buy zone, price in buy zone. That is the first confirmation for buy signal. And second confirmation on below this arrow, you can see there is a bar is here. That is our confirmation bar. It should be in the same color of the signal. If it is buy signal, it should be green color. So you have to check only two confirmation. If these two confirmations are okay, in the you will get a 80 to 90% accuracy on the same signal. It's very simple to follow. First I will explain one more time. The first the arrow will come, this green arrow is the buy signal, and first confirmation, after that you have to check the confirmation. First confirmation, the price, it should be in buy zone, and the second confirmation on below bar, it should be in green color. If these two confirmations are okay, then directly you can take the position in your trading platform. On below you can see trailing stop loss. Trailing stop loss on the on left side of that trailing stop loss, you can see target 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 targets. So currently as per this signal, all target has been achieved. As I told, it's a supporting software, and if the signal is confirmed, it gives automatic signal, and if it is confirmed signal, 80 to 90% accuracy will be there in that signal. And you can see this red stars are there, that is the resistance level of the market, and blues are the support level of the market. Currently market is slightly going down, and if it is break the support level, then there is a chance the sell signal will come. Otherwise market if it again went up now, this if it is break the resistance level, then market will again go up. And you can see there's some different colors are there, like orange colors, light blue, white candles, MD candles. In this candle you can see some different colors are there now. Normal colors are red and green, so you can see some different colors now. That is an indication of sideways. The market is going sideways now, then automatically software will change the colors of these bars. So software gives us buy sell signal. If the market is reversing, that time also software gives alert. If the sideways indication is there, then it will display, it will change the colors of this candle, and it gives you can see the resistance support level plot in that chart. And this is our running version 8.1, and soon we will release our new version, that is our 10th version, and updations are free for customers. And right now it's a live demonstration. If you are interested to know more about our product WinTrader latest version 8.1, and if you want to purchase a software, or if you want live demonstration, you can directly contact me. My name is Ganga, 9061973737. This is my official WhatsApp. You can call or you can WhatsApp. Otherwise you can directly check that on below this video. You can see there is a description box is there. Just check there. My WhatsApp link is there. Just click there. You can come to my WhatsApp chat. And thank you for watching my video.